Come on. Out. Hi guys, my name is Vapid obviously, and today we have apparently a fragile box. It's quite a big box actually. Obviously you know by the video title that we're looking at, iMac G4. I don't know what condition it's going to be in. I have seen pictures of it. Obviously I bought it from eBay. I bought iMac and the Mac Pro from the same guy, and I thought, you know what, the reason why those are broken are not his fault. I give him a second chance, and obviously if this doesn't work then we've got a bit of discrepancy going on. But the way this person finds these items is through, I believe, auctions of like houses that have been cleared and all the items get auctioned off. I think in general, getting these sorts of products from those sorts of places will be a lottery. But let's just jump into it. And today I'll be using the classic B&M box cutter / opener / red thing that you stick in your pocket, not up your bum. I haven't received a package except for my hefty package, my personal hefty package. Also, as you can see, you won't be able to read it, but it says Apple Computer. How cool is that? I'm going to give a solid 8 out of 10 for packaging so far. I think he's done a pretty good job. Oh, for fuck's sake. There we are. Now, I believe this was left out for a little while as the box is quite moist. We'll let that slide, however. So here is some packing. Here is some more packing. Some more packing. Some more packing. And some more packing. And here comes the Bobby Dazzler himself. Oh, here's some more packing. I believe it's just a computer, doesn't come with anything else. Some more packing. Let me get this out of the box and we'll go from here. He knows his stuff because he's got the panel facing downwards, so I think he's not too retarded. However, first impressions, I didn't realise how big the base was of these. I thought it was a tad smaller. I can see we're going to have to do some refurbishing. However, I'm just chatting shit. I'm not going to do anything except use a wet wipe on it. Let me just get everything out of its box. I believe I'm going to hold it by basically the, what do you call it, the neck. Oh yeah, because obviously we'll keep everything that isn't, you know, thingy to the outside sources is in pretty good condition actually. So that's it so far. As you can see, I think he's wrapped it pretty well for what he could do, and the yellowing isn't too bad on it. It's worse than I thought. However, you can't hear me over it, can you? So I'm just going to shut up. Here we are. Now, here's one good thing. Normally, they sag and you can't keep them up and they just stay to the floor. This one, however, seems to have full articulation. The only issue I see is some flaking on the back there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. However, I believe that's minor rust. However, the guy working, it does work. You can see it's a later model because of the font that it uses. It's newer, and it's also got the bigger screen, I believe. This might have been the biggest screen that they came in. I'd have to double check. However, they definitely came in smaller, and this is definitely not the original iMac G4. This is definitely a later model. Because I haven't researched and I haven't been too invested into vintage Macs for however long, I can't remember certain differences. With the iMac G3s, they had different ports. I'm not sure if this had any different ports, but I could also tell you the iMac G5 and the 2006 Intel iMac are very similar. However, the iMac G5 is thicker and obviously has different ports than the 2006 Intel. However, I think overall it's in pretty decent condition. Now, I'll boot it up, see if there's anything worth of interest, but that won't be until tomorrow. So far guys, this is it, and I will see you whenever I see you.